Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Friday, March 27th, and Mrs. Thomas told us that today it's Pajama Day Friday. So Charlie wanted to show you his pajamas. These are very special pajamas, right? Where did these pajamas come from?
My brother Brady.
Well,
Yeah.
Who gave them to your brother Brady?
Kane.
So these pajamas are from Japan. Charlie's aunt and uncle used to live in Japan, and when they were there, they bought these really cool pajamas for the boys. So he's wearing his special pajamas today, and he wanted to show you. And Mrs. O'Connor doesn't have any cool pajamas like that. I just have on some fleece pants. Okay? All right.
Can I tell you something?
Yeah, go ahead and tell them something, because then we have to do some math.
And Kane and Brady are like, Mom, you tell them.
Tell them what? What about Kane and Brady?
Tell them you are they brush their teeth and wash their face.
Yes, Kane and Brady brush their teeth and wash their face. He wants you to know. However, they have not yet because they're still laying in bed like lazy bones today. Okay?
Yay.
And look who's down here.
My dog.
There's Birdie. She's eating a Lego block. So if you hear any crunching during the video, she won't give it to me. It's just Birdie eating a Lego block. All right? Charlie's going to go back and watch a video for a minute. And we're going to do our final review of place value today. And we're going to finish up place value for the week, okay? So before we start, let's talk about what our learning target is going to be today. And remember, this is just going to be hopefully a quick video for you guys. It says, I can use place value to identify a mystery number. Okay, I can use place value to identify a mystery number. So before we begin today's lesson, I want to go over with you one thing about place value before we get started. And I'm looking around because I don't see my marker. Where did it go? I'm going to have to grab another one. 1 second. Okay. All right. So one thing about place value that you have to remember, no matter what, the numbers have a certain place, okay? The ones always go over to this side, to the farthest side, okay? That is the ones place. The tens would always go in front of the ones. And then the hundreds always go in front of the tens. Okay, that is correct place value. Now, when we do some problems today, they might have those mixed up. But when you write out the mystery number, the hundreds should always go first, then the tens, then the ones. Mrs. O'Connor, what in the world are you talking about? Let me show you what I'm talking about real quick. So, I have 4 problems for you, and I mixed them up because I know you can do it. So what I mean is, let's say it says 9 tens, 2 ones, and 3 hundreds. What you should always do is go H, T, O. Hundreds, tens, ones. And then I can look at the problem and say, okay, where are the hundreds? 9 tens. Nope, that's not hundreds. 2 ones. Nope, that's not hundreds. 3 hundreds. Yes, that's hundreds. Okay, I have 3 groups of 100. All right, now where are the tens? Oh, 9 tens. 9 groups of 10 and 2 ones. My mystery number was 392. So even if Mrs. O'Connor mixed it up to try and trick you, don't make a mistake by putting them in the wrong place. Remember, hundreds, tens, ones. That will help you find the mystery number, okay? Hit pause, go and get your paper and pencil because I have 4 problems for you to do real quick today, okay? Okay, boys and girls, here we go. I did try to make them a little tricky for you because I know how smart you are. Let's take a look at this. On your paper, write number 1. And all you have to do on your paper is write the mystery number, okay? What number has 8 tens, 4 hundreds, and 2 ones? Go ahead and write your mystery number next to number 1 on your paper. I'm gonna put a number 1 in here so I don't forget. This was number 1, okay? Over to the side, we're gonna make this number 2. Okay, take a look at this drawing. I have some ones here, I have some hundreds, and I have some tens. Go ahead and write your mystery number. If it helps you, put an H, a T, and an O right on your paper. Remember, I mixed them up to try and trick you. Don't mix them up when you write them out. What is our mystery number for number 2? Okay, number 3 is down here. H, T, O. $8, $70, $900. Okay, and number 4. Try and read that out. And then write out the mystery number when you read it. If you need to hit pause at all and keep working, you can do that, okay? Let's go over these. What I like to do in my class is we give ourselves a star or a happy face if we got it right. And if we didn't get it right, we fix it, okay? So take a look at number 1. I'm gonna put my H, my T, and my O here, hundreds, tens, and ones, because even though it's mixed up here, I have to write it out in the correct place value to get the mystery number. 8 tens, okay, here's the 10 spot. I know that really means 80. 4 hundreds, 2 ones. My number is 482. Did you get it right? Woohoo! Give yourselves a happy face or a star. 482 was our answer for number 1. Number 2, I can see that this is all mixed up. So first I'm gonna look for my hundreds. There they are. I have 2 groups of 100. I have, oh, where are my 10 sticks? Nope, there they are. 1, 2, 3, 4 10 sticks. And 1, 2, 3 ones. My answer was 243 for this one, okay? Give yourselves a star or a happy face if you got that one right. Down here, I have expanded form, and it's not in the correct order. 8 plus 70 plus 900. To write our mystery number, we'll need to unscramble it and look at our hundreds first. 900, okay, so that's 9 groups of 100. 7 10 sticks, 70 is 7 10 sticks, and 8 ones. My answer is 978. Give yourselves a star or a happy face. 978 for that one. And our last one says 651. Let's read that one together. 651. 651. Okay? So that was a real quick review for you of all the place value we did this week. I'm so glad you've been watching. Mrs. O'Connor misses you all so much, and this is just a nice little quick way for us to still see each other and do a quick review of what we've learned in math. I hope you all enjoy your weekend. I'm planning to take a walk with my family, hopefully, and maybe paint my nails. Really exciting, okay? So I will see you back on Monday with more math review minutes. Have a great weekend.